From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Presented by Vivo V9. Powered by Renault, Hike and Zoho One.
Good evening and welcome. The truth is now out. Like a political vulture, Rahul Gandhi violated the privacy of the ailing, very ill and very, very loved Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And like a political vulture and a political opportunist, he disregarded medical advice that Vajpayee was going through some detailed medical tests and that visiting him at the time that he wanted to was not medically advisable. Rahul Gandhi's PR machinery then started contacting media for the photo opportunity, and then Rahul had a meeting with his media advisors and decided to increase the political advantage using Atal Bihari Vajpayee as a prop, and in Mumbai shocked the entire country by going public and bragging publicly at an event this evening that he was first in the race to visit Vajpayee. I ask you tonight, that even if Rahul is ignorant or desperate, how can it be tolerated that this 49-year-old has tried to do a stunt when the most loved former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee is fighting the battle of his life? How can you do this, Rahul Gandhi? That Vajpayee, who through his life, his struggles, his contribution, his elegance, his grace, his knowledge, but most importantly also in his depth as a human being, is everything that a privileged, shallow dynast like Rahul can never hope to be. That Vajpayee does not need this now from Rahul Gandhi, and that as we pray for him tonight, we ask tonight whether Rahul Gandhi, the political vulture in this case, will apologize for hatching a conspiracy to use Vajpayee's medical condition for a political campaign, a cheap political campaign. Rahul, the nation will not forgive you for this. Debate number 1 tonight. On the Rahul Vajpayee claim, the nation is shocked at what Rahul Gandhi has done. We're debating that tonight, debate number 1. And debate number 2 at 10. The Gauri killer has been arrested. And how can these organizations who are being dragged even claim to be Hindu organizations? They're anything but so. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on The Debate tonight.
जब वो बीमार है, पहले मैं वहां गया, क्योंकि मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का सिपाही हूं.
Shame on you, Rahul Gandhi. His entire conspiracy is exposed. How Rahul Gandhi planned to use Vajpayee's health as a political tool.
Simply because he has visited Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee does not become less of a member of the RSS or of the BJP.
Courtesy visit, a political race for Rahul Gandhi. The whole country is angry over his statement. AIMS calls Rahul's bluff. Sources say he gate crashed despite repeated requests to delay a visit for medical reasons. 9 months after her murder, Gauri Lankesh's killer is arrested. 2 arrests, 2 explosive links. We'll tell you why the Congress party is upset tonight. And shocking news as spiritual leader Bhayuji Maharaj shoots himself. Investigators say he was under major mental stress. But first, live to AIIMS, where the good news is that the health condition of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the very, very, very loved, respected and regarded former Prime Minister of India, has stabilized. The former Prime Minister was admitted to AIIMS with urinary tract infection, lower respiratory tract infection and some kidney issues. The hospital briefed the media through a statement at about 7:30 p.m. and he's responding well to treatment. He's being monitored very closely. Our news editor and senior anchor Deepthi is now joining us from AIIMS, and she has the inside track on how Rahul Gandhi broke through protocol and medical advice to force that visit in AIIMS with an attempt to creating a conspiracy to use it for medical reasons. Deepthi, what do you have?
Oh yes, Arnab, and as you rightly pointed out, remember, I never thought I would have to stand here outside AIIMS reporting on a story like this. Because, you know, the story is not about an Atal Bihari Vajpayee who's not well, but the story is bigger. Because over the last few hours, I think what we are breaking is important. Number one, AIIMS makes it very clear that they received no official communication from the office of Rahul Gandhi about his arrival. And they say we were caught off guard, we were surprised. And then when I spoke to the family again reiterates, and they say in fact that when they got a call from Rahul Gandhi, they were happy. They said that thank you for your good wishes, and yes, we all hope that Vajpayee ji recovers well. And they actually told Rahul Gandhi in as many words that please do not bother, we want his health to get better, and then perhaps you can think of a visit. But I think in just the next 90 minutes, you have Rahul Gandhi here at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Still, if people had doubts, you know, Arnab, that perhaps he was concerned, I think Rahul Gandhi today has called everyone's bluff himself. He secured a big self-goal because he tells us this was plain simple politics, this was a race, and I wanted to come first. But this is unfortunate to say the least, Arnab.
You can't stoop lower than that. Can't agree more with you. Deepthi, thanks. And ladies and gentlemen, it's perhaps the worst statement made by Rahul Gandhi in his political career. Each time you think he can't fall further, he does. Tonight, this dynast president of the Congress has reduced courtesies to a political tool that even his own party is too embarrassed to defend. Here is his boast on how he was number one in visiting Vajpayee in hospital. After that, we'll debate.
6 p.m. Monday, Rahul Gandhi's cavalcade rolls into AIIMS. 6:45 p.m. Monday, Amit Shah reaches AIIMS with Nadda. 7:10 p.m. Monday, Prime Minister Modi reaches AIIMS, spends 50 minutes with Vajpayee. Sequence of events as they unfolded. Political leaders paid courtesy visits to inquire on Vajpayee's health. For them, it was courtesy. Rahul Gandhi had other thoughts.
वाजपेयी जी के खिलाफ कौन लड़े थे? हम लड़े थे। मगर जब वो बीमार हैं, पहले मैं वहां गया, क्योंकि मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का सिपाही हूं और मैं बात समझता हूं कि जरूर वाजपेयी जी हमारे साथ हमारे खिलाफ लड़े, मगर वाजपेयी जी ने हिंदुस्तान के लिए काम किया। वाजपेयी जी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री रहे और हम उस पद का आदर करते हैं, और अगर वाजपेयी जी आज बीमार हैं तो हम जाके उनके साथ खड़े होंगे।
In Rahul's words, technically he reached AIIMS first, but here's why it was only a race for him and not just a courtesy. Top sources at AIIMS tell Republic TV that Rahul Gandhi was asked to visit after the Prime Minister. Doctors asked Rahul to visit after 7:30 p.m. But Rahul chose to ignore the AIIMS doctors' request, also violating safety norms.
मगर जब वो बीमार हैं, पहले मैं वहां गया, क्योंकि मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का सिपाही हूं।
Simply because he has visited Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee does not become less of a member of the RSS or of the BJP. He was the former Prime Minister. Everybody is welcome to visit him.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee is loved across the political spectrum. This message perhaps is a fitting lesson tonight.
सत्ता का खेल तो चलेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेगी बिगड़ेंगी, मगर ये देश रहना चाहिए, इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए।
Has Rahul sounded the end of courtesies in Indian politics with that one statement? Let's debate.
I mean, how can you do this? Ratan Sharda, Nupur, Pradeep Bhandari, Sandhya Jain, senior journalist, leans to the right, Alimuddin Khan, Tanveer Ahmed, Nishant Verma, Juhi Singh and Sarvesh Tiwari. I want to debate this tonight because all through the day, Nupur, I start with you and you can start the debate tonight, maybe with Nishant, and then we'll take it forward. What kind of person does this? What kind of political opportunist or vulture uses a hospital visit for political gain? Can this man, and I'm telling you, he's not. He thinks he's a 19-year-old, 18-year-old. He's not. 18-year-olds are more sensible than him. How can a 49-year-old politician stoop any lower? Stoop any lower than this? Tanveer and Nupur.
I was hearing
Tanveer and Nupur.
going on the...
No, Rahul Gandhi is a person with caliber.
Can I just... 1 second, Tanveer.
Person with caliber,
please, a caliber
person
of a
with
primary
heart,
school student
person
who
with
wanted to
clean
go home and
intention,
announce, "Mummy,
person
Mummy,
who
मैं
cares
sack race
about
में first
Atal
आया."
Bihari Vajpayee,
Yeah,
a person
with
who
a
wants to
7-8-year-old
really
child.
showcase his love
शिकंजी
towards
से
a great
कोक बन
leader called
गई,
Atal Bihari Vajpayee. can do
ढाबे
this.
से मैकडॉनल्ड बन गया. No, we
And
know
I
the
think
caliber
we
of
all
a
need to
7-8-year-old
congratulate Rahul
primary
Gandhi.
school
And we
student.
all-
No, I'll get you in, Ratan. I'll get you in,
We
Ratan.
all
No,
need to
Tanveer,
really say,
listen to
Rahul
me.
Gandhi, you did a
Tanveer.
great job. You kept
Tanveer.
your animosity aside.
Okay, Tanveer, let Nupur make
The
her point.
animosity है, in spite of being told by AIMS not to come. What is, I'm sorry, this is not being sensitive at all.
You
when
don't,
in spite
show
of
me a
being advised
letter.
not to
You
come
are saying
because
through your
tests and
sources.
treatment were going on.
If at all
No,
there is
Tanveer,
anything which
Tanveer,
Rahul
this is
Gandhi has
confirmed.
done, why don't you
Tanveer, I've
arrest
spoken
Rahul
to the
Gandhi?
family
Why
members.
don't you put
No,
him behind
Tanveer,
bars?
this is
If at all he has
confirmed.
violated,
No, what?
if at all he has
Why
caused
should we
some
believe
trouble
Rahul
for
Gandhi?
Atal
When the
Bihari
doctors
Vajpayee's
have gone on
health,
record to say
put
that
him
the tests
behind
were
bars.
going on, this
Actually,
sounds
let
like
us not
Rahul
blame
Gandhi's
Rahul
desperate
Gandhi or
attempt.
everybody
This is
for
not a
anything and
primary school
everything happens
race,
in this
a
country.
sack
If
race,
at all somebody
wherein he
visits
could go home
hospital,
with a
you
medal
have a
to show
problem.
to his
If at all
mummy.
he doesn't
Sonia
visit the
Gandhi,
hospital,
mummy देखो
you
मैं
have a
first
problem.
आया.
Rahul
No, we
Gandhi,
know
you did
his
a great
caliber.
job.
His
You lived
caliber
up to the
is
expectation of
शिकंजी
your
से
father and your
कोका कोला
grandfather and
बनती
your
है.
grandmother.
अरे सुन लो तनवीर, दूसरे के भी सुन लो. Tanveer, you don't do vulture politics over the unfortunate sickness of the former beloved Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Vajpayee, and this is exactly how low he stooped today.
He
You
is
cannot
more
contest
beloved
it,
to me.
and you cannot
He is
defend
more
the
beloved to
indefensible.
me
That
than
in
you.
spite of the
I
fact
have
that he
huge
was
respect
advised
for
not to
Mr.
come,
Atal
in
Bihari
spite of the
Vajpayee.
fact that the family is gone on
I
record
love
to
Atal
say
Bihari
we
more
advised him
than
not
you
to
do.
come.
I don't
He
use
went
him
there to
for
get treated.
posters.
What
I
could
use him
Rahul
for
Gandhi
my
have
heart.
achieved?
I use
Is he
him
a
for my
doctor?
respect
Should
and
we give him a
love.
Bharat
I am
Ratna
not
for
going to
coming
use
first in the
Atal
race?
Bihari
Or
Vajpayee
should
in
we
this
actually
photograph
put
for
him up for
poster
Nobel
politics.
Peace Prize?
Not for getting
What does
votes.
Rahul Gandhi
We
want?
love more, we
अरे
love Mr.
poster
Atal
politics
Bihari
तो
more
राहुल
than
कर
you
रहा
do.
है. You want me to
doing
count the
that, sir,
number of
politics.
times
I
he
want
was
to- I want to
seen
say one
signing
thing.
of funerals and
I
I want to
condolences.
say
We
one
all
thing
need to
tonight.
stand
You
up
want me
and
to
salute
count?
Rahul
I want to
Gandhi.
say one thing
How
tonight.
delusional
Rahul,
is
you did a
Rahul
great
Gandhi?
job,
You want me to
Rahul.
count?
Tanveer and Nupur, I wish to make a 30-second intervention. I wish to make a 30-second intervention with Nishant keeping shut for a while if he does not mind. Nishant be shut for a while, and then I'll come to you, Nishant. Nishant, stay shut for a while, and then I'll come to you, I assure you. You see, Nishant, please listen to me for a while. Even today when I saw that news story, that 10-second clip of Vajpayee, I think it was when he was resigning his 13-day government in 1996. That 10-second clip of that great man, it sends goosebumps through the flesh of 1 billion Indians. That's how much Indians love Vajpayee. Indians love Vajpayee. All of India loves Vajpayee. Loves Vajpayee. Loves Vajpayee from their hearts. You listen to me, sir. You listen to me, sir. You listen to me, sir. And I began by saying one thing today, Nishant. Nishant, let me complete. Nishant, let me complete. Let me complete. Why won't you let me complete? Why won't you let me complete?
This is something ridiculous that on national channel a joke is being made of something good which has happened. BJP is unable to digest good things.
What good has happened? If he was concerned about
They are ready
Vajpayee's
to
health, he would
vomit
not be
poison.
claiming
What good
first
has
position
happened?
or
What
second
happens
position.
here?
Nupur
He is
Sharma.
talking
Nothing
good
good has
about
happened.
Vajpayee ji. You are
If
not
he
talking
was
about
concerned
that.
about
You are talking about
Vajpayee's
shit out of
health,
it.
he would not be claiming first position, second position. It is shame, shame, shame. Chi, chi, chi. He has violated the basic norm in Indian politics that you do not politicize the health.
What he has
You should
said,
be
he has
ashamed
said
of
that
defending
BJP
it.
has
मैं
had a
पहले
leader
आया,
in
आपको
Vajpayee
ये
ji.
कंसर्न नहीं
He
है
has
कि
been a
वाजपेयी
leader
जी की वहाँ पे
who
सेहत
everybody
कैसी
is
है
proud of.
और आप उसी आरएसएस को
आप
टेररिस्ट
उसी पे-
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बोल के हैशटैग चला रहे हो. Indirectly you are basically saying that you are blaming Vajpayee.
जहाँ पे आप यही
I am
बातें
shocked
करेंगे, आप
if
यही
he was
कह रहे हैं कि
concerned
राहुल
about
गांधी
Vajpayee
आपके
ji's
नेताओं
health,
से पहले
he would
गए
have just
और उन्होंने
said
कहा
कि मैं
कि
उनसे
हमारी
मिलके
मर्यादा
आया हूं,
मान और
उम्मीद करता हूं
इज्जत
कि वो
इस
सही
देश
होंगे.
की जो मान
नहीं,
मर्यादा
उनको
इज्जत
तो
है हमारे
चाहिए कि
संस्कार
भाई
है
मैं
इसलिए हम
पहले
बड़ों की
आया.
इज्जत करते
Is
हैं
this the
और
norm?
वाजपेयी
This
जी
is,
नुकसान है.
गांधी जी की
आपको ये
तरफ-
कहना चाहिए कि
this is
राहुल
shocking.
गांधी ने कहा वाजपेयी जी
This
देश
is
के
shameful.
शान है.
This is shameful. I tell you. I tell you one thing, Sarvesh. Sarvesh, I began by saying one thing. Sarvesh, listen to me. Sarvesh, listen to me and don't speak over me. I have Ratan Sharda here. In our country, there is something called respecting your seniors. I don't know what culture Rahul Gandhi represents.
Where is the disrespect?
I'll tell you where the disrespect is.
That is what he has done.
I'll tell you where the disrespect is. If you kindly let me speak, the whole nation is united in its prayers for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The whole nation is united in its prayers for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And Rahul Gandhi, like a political vulture, stands up on the stands up on a stage. I'll have to speak over you. I want 20 seconds, viewers. 1 minute. I would say only this, Ratan Sharda, that today Rahul Gandhi has redefined the low point of Indian politics. He goes on a political stage, he chest thumps about the fact that I was first in visiting Vajpayee, and then news comes he visited Vajpayee when he was told that please don't come, he is going through medical tests. He was interested only in this political claim. He was exploiting Atal Bihari Vajpayee's medical condition, and nobody in the country will forgive him for this. Which is why I said today that if there is one politician whose personal attributes Rahul Gandhi can never hope to be, the entire country, I'm telling you, the whole nation will stand up as one against Rahul Gandhi for trying to exploit the medical condition of the extremely loved Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I want a poll on this right now on the show. I want a poll on this channel right now. Let us have a poll. Let people talk about this. Is this what levels you will go down to?
I do not want
that you'll brag about visiting a person in hospital first from a political stage?
We are talking about one of the most graceful politicians
which
India
really
ever
says that
produced.
AIM said that
Shame on you, Tanveer.
Do you have any documentational proof, sir?
Tanveer,
No,
I always thought you were a graceful
great job,
politician.
Rahul.
I
You
always
did a great
respected
job,
you.
Rahul. That
But
is the
is this
sanskar
what
of
does
India.
coalition
You have
politics
done
does to you?
sanskar of India.
That
You
you
really
also
stood
join the
for the
graceless
sanskar Indian.
race of
And I
people
think
like
what
Rahul
Atal
Gandhi
Bihari Vajpayee,
who are
a
like
person of
vulture
that
trying to
caliber
engage
and
every
that
possible
stature. Good job, Rahul, you
opportunity
went and
photo op.
visited him.
There are certain sanskars in India. See, I'll
job
tell you,
Rahul did.
I don't become
BJP and
sentimental
RSS is
ever
not
in
able to
political debate.
digest
But
that
today
he
I'm
did a great job
sentimental
much before
because
this.
I have seen,
I
I have
think
grown with
Mr.
Vajpayee
Modi was
ji,
sleeping.
seen him
That's why Rahul
put
Gandhi,
his
when
all
he
in the
visited,
life
great
for the
job, Rahul
nation.
Gandhi.
The most graceful person, and here we are shouting shamelessly.
No, I want
about
to tell you something. No, I want to tell you something. No, I was just told. I was just told. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. No. Ratan Sharda. I have some breaking news. Ratan Sharda, I have some breaking
In
news.
India, there are some sanskars. Have I ever
Ratan
questioned
Sharda.
Sonia Gandhi's statement?
No.
Have I ever talked about why she goes out, where she goes out? Because
Watch it.
we respect somebody's sickness,
No, Ratan Sharda, I won't let you go
somebody's
there. Ratan Sharda, look here.
cannot use
Look
this
here,
kind of
I have
language.
some
You
news.
cannot make that
I have some news for you. And I was being told, and I need to speak for 30 seconds, I will hand it over to you. I'm telling you what kind of person, let alone one in public life, do you politically exploit a hospital visit? I, in my whole life, have not. I would hate a person who, outside of politics, would visit someone in hospital. Suppose Nupur today visits somebody in hospital because she knows that person is not well, and then puts out a tweet or makes a public statement to show how great she is to visit.
हमें
No,
तो
no, no,
संस्कार है इस
no.
देश
ये
में।
भारत के संस्कार है, इनको पता नहीं है भारत के संस्कार। इनको मैं तो पूछ रहा हूँ, I would even ask.
आपको शर्म आती है?
इतनी
एक व्यक्ति जीवन मृत्यु की लड़ाई लड़ रहा है, जिसने जीवन देश के लिए दिया, किसी को
निशांत and Ratan Shah.
माफी मांगनी पड़ती है।
नहीं, एक मिनट, Ratan Shah pull back. Ratan Shah pull back.
Stop calling people vultures.
Nupur.
How do you call them vultures?
Political vulture.
Political vulture Modi who called
One.
a New Jersey cow.
Political vulture.
नहीं मांगी
How
थी।
careless
शर्म
and
नहीं आती
insensitive he
है।
is.
न्यू जर्सी
You want me to
काउ
document
कैसे बोला
how
था?
insensitive
फिर माफी
Rahul
मांगी
Gandhi
थी।
has been
आज vulture
and
बोलते हो,
started
फिर माफी
2016.
मांगोगे।
Rahul
शर्म नहीं
Gandhi
आती
was
बीजेपी
found
को।
smiling.
No, 1 minute. I have some news. Ratan Shah, one minute. Ratan Shah, hold back. Hold back, Ratan Shah. I know how angry people are today.
नरेंद्र मोदी कैसे गया? What are you talking about Rahul Gandhi? What are you talking about Rahul Gandhi?
2017, Rahul Gandhi was seen laughing at Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh Ji's mother's condolence meet. In 2018, Rahul Gandhi was laughing
You should be ashamed,
while
madam.
former
You
Karnataka
should be
Chief Minister
ashamed.
Dharam
You
Singh's
should be
wife,
ashamed of
widowed
what you
wife
say.
was
You know
crying.
why?
You
You
should
know
be
why you should be ashamed?
He was found
Because-
smiling and
because-
laughing. You should be ashamed. You're
मैडम बीमार है, शहजादे को लेना चाहिए।
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on
Shame on
you.
you.
Shame on you, Nishant.
BJP.
Shame on you, Nishant, for falling
It
this
was
far.
Narendra Modi in 2013 who said, मैडम बीमार है,
Nupur, please,
शहजादे को
Nupur.
दे दो। अरे एंड देन माफी मांगी थी, शर्म
मैं-
नहीं आती बीजेपी को?
Why was Rahul
क्या
Gandhi
बोला था?
found smiling, laughing,
छोड़िए राहुल गांधी
scoffing
को।
at
नरेंद्र
Dharam
मोदी ने
Singh
क्या
Ji's
बोला था?
condolence
मैडम
speech
बीमार
while his
है,
wife was
एक औरत
laughing?
की हेल्थ पे
Why
शर्म नहीं आती?
wife was
नरेंद्र
crying?
मोदी को
Why
बोलते
was he
हुए,
laughing
and you
at
being a
Punjab
lady,
Chief
you
Minister's
defending
mother's
Modi?
condolence
शर्म
speech?
आनी चाहिए
Why
आपको।
was he laughing
You should be
at
ashamed
Jayalalitha
of what
Ji's
you're saying.
funeral?
कमाल
Why
करते
was he smiling
and
at
सबके सब
ex-serviceman
जितने भी
Ramkishan
बीजेपी के
Grewal's
अमित शाह,
funeral?
नरेंद्र मोदी
You
सब
answer
बैठे
this,
नरेंद्र
Nishant.
मोदी के साथ
You are a
मिलने के लिए
motor
अटल
mouth.
बिहारी
You are a
वाजपेयी को
rabble
within half
rouser.
an hour,
I have
within half an
experience
hour,
debating with
within
you.
half an hour
Why will you
Rahul
not
Gandhi
answer?
तब एम्स
Why
ने
was
कुछ नहीं
Rahul
बोला,
Gandhi
because
laughing
Prime Minister
and
was
smiling
coming.
at funerals?
And राहुल गांधी के लिए आप इतना
Why
आगे
was
उठाते हैं।
Rahul
शर्म
Gandhi
नहीं आती?
smiling and laughing
बीजेपी
at
को शर्म
funerals?
नहीं आती?
Nishant, answer this much.
जुल्लू भर पानी में डूब पड़ो
Answer this.
बीजेपी।
तुम्हें शर्म नहीं
You
आती?
called
तुम
a
जाके किसी के
lady
हाथ में
a
हंसते हो
New
क्या?
Jersey
I will
cow.
take you off air, Nishant, if you behave like this. I will take you off air. I need someone else on the other side of the screen, please. Please. I wish to make a point here. Nupur, I wish to make a point here now. Now, please, Nishant, you will be quiet, and Rahul Gandhi out there. I wish to share with you, viewers, that I am Nupur, please hold on. For 1 minute, I want everyone to cool down. And then I want to share something right now. Everyone on the screen, I wish that you give me 20 seconds to 30 seconds to share something with you. See, viewers, first of all, let me tell you, and I'm speaking over this now. No, 1 second. Please don't speak over me now for a while, because I'm sharing something with the viewers. Viewers, I said today that it is terrible, it is shameful, it is unacceptable, it is cheap, it is being a political vulture. When people came to know that Atal Bihari Vajpayee is not well, and yesterday when the news came out that Atal Bihari Vajpayee will spend the night in hospital, and when people got to know that Atal Bihari Vajpayee is in the cardiac intensive care unit, and details came that he's on injectable antibiotics, I am telling you, across the entire country, a wave of emotion has gone. And though everybody may not be sitting there in temples and mosques, I say today that this entire country of ours is praying for the great son of India. One of the greatest sons of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. One of the greatest sons of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The whole country is united. I am, and all of us are. All of us are, and now let me say one thing. Let me say one thing, please. Even right now, viewers, if you don't believe me, I tell you, go and check on Twitter. Go and check. Listen. हर चीज की हद होती है, तनवीर. Even right now, Rahul Gandhi is tweeting, politicizing Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Even right now he has put out a tweet right now and he has said in the BJP, Vajpayee was humiliated. This is the Prime Minister's way of protecting Indian culture. Right now, viewers, you check his tweet. And I'm asking you today, check your tweets. Check the tweets right now. And I say, there is a time, there is a place, there is a moment, there is an occasion. You do not do this. Ratan Sharda, you do not do this when Atal Bihari Vajpayee is fighting the battle of his life. The whole country will never forgive Rahul Gandhi. Never forgive Rahul Gandhi for this. That never forget. Right now he's tweeting. You check your tweet. Ratan Sharda, you check his tweet out. And I'm asking you, how fair is this? Sandhya Jain. No, Sandhya Jain is coming in also. Sandhya Jain.
The nation stands with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, let Sandhya Jain come in. Let Sandhya Jain come in.
Arnav, please give me some space.
Yes, Ms. Jain.
Can I have the silence, please? How much do I shout?
Go on.
Thank you so much. I just want to tell you that I am surprised that you are so surprised about Rahul Gandhi, because one of the biggest tragedies in our country was the Mumbai mini war by Pakistan in 2008, and very soon after that, Mr. Rahul Gandhi was seen dancing at the Sangeet ceremony of Captain Satish Sharma's son, and he did not think he needed to avoid an incident like that.
What is the connection?
Really,
no, sorry, what is the connection? Miss Sandhya Jain, what is the connection? What is that you want to say? That you have an insensitive person this nation has elected as a member of parliament?
Always go.
You can't really slam everybody and every person. This is really हद हो गई. हर बात के लिए राहुल गांधी
हद तो ये हो रही है कि अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी पर इस वक्त राहुल गांधी पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं.
राहुल गांधी कुछ बोलता है तो बुरा है. अरे कितना बुराई करोगे उसके बारे में? If at all is that
one minute. Juhi Singh on the right. Juhi Singh.
Atal Bihari, we are discussing Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the great statesman, the great MP from Lucknow, our Prime Minister. This is uncomparable, and we shouldn't even put a parallel incident to it. Of course, it shouldn't be politicized. Of course, people should be visiting him, but this is not a race. And I don't know who went pehle and who went baad mein, but the question is that if somebody is using it for a political, even a statement, it is wrong. He is. I am speaking, ma'am. I am speaking, and I am not speaking for the Congress. I am speaking for my MP and my Prime Minister, and for Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who for us was a great statesman, is a great statesman.
So right now, Juhi Singh,
Make one more point.
Juhi Singh, tell me one thing.
Yes, Arnav.
Tell me one thing. हमारे देश के ये देखिए ये ट्वीट किया इन्होंने अभी. मैं आपको प्रूफ दे रहा हूं कि ये राहुल गांधी, पता नहीं if this is Rahul Gandhi's personal tweet or someone else's, or if his tweet is Office of RG, we'll have to check this. But it appears to be a verified handle. It appears to be a verified handle. If this is the tweet, if this is his tweet, then how is this acceptable? My question is, now let's move on from that. My question right now is that Rahul Gandhi, where is there any doubt? One minute. Today, Pradeep and let Alimuddin also come in. He went to Mumbai. He went on a stage. He boasted and he bragged about the fact that I was the first one to see Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is in a critical condition, as has been reported there, at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. What kind of cheap political trick is this? Is there a cheaper political trick than this? You have tried to reduce prayers for Vajpayee as a political slogan. ये क्या भारतीय संस्कृति है? ये तो इटली में भी नहीं करेंगे लोग. And why do you say this? Why, did you do this or not? And I'll tell you. You please tell me, Alimuddin Khan, where is this idea coming from? You had a media strategy, you had a media session, you sat down, you did a social media campaign, and you decided what kind of social media campaign do we do around Vajpayee. ये कहाँ की politics? आप मुझे बताइए कहाँ का संस्कार है? Let the debate come on. And I'm requesting you right now. I'm getting a lot of angry reactions from all our viewers. तो निशांत चिल्लाना बंद कीजिए. देश के संस्कार के बारे में है और भारत के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के बारे में बात करें, जिनके बारे में, जिनकी पॉलिटिक्स और संस्कृति के बारे में, जिनके कल्चर के बारे में, जिनके पॉलिटिकल कंट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में राहुल गांधी को कतई कुछ नहीं पता होगा. जी, प्लीज गो अहेड. अलीमुद्दीन खान, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स Pradeep.
Arnavji, first of all, let me remind you about 1980 when Advani and Atalji both lost election. Then Indiraji vacated a seat for Atalji and got him win to come in the Lok Sabha. After that, in 1970, 87 or so, Rajiv Gandhi ji, sir, Rajiv Gandhi, I'm talking about. Let me complete. Let me complete. Then Rajiv ji sent Atalji for treatment in the United States of America. Let me complete, sir. Let me complete, sir. Let me.
It only and only mentions that, see, Modi, Prime Minister Modi is not respecting seniors. It is mentioning about Dalit Iyer. It is mentioning about Congress workers. So he has just scored a political point. There is zero empathy, zero mention of of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji on his Twitter handle. In fact, his media team is running Rahul exposes RSS and Rahul Gandhi. There is zero empathy for it. This is not just silly, this is evil, Arnavji, this is extremely evil. And this is for the first time a political leader has politicized the death, politicized the ill condition of the former Prime Minister.
And since Rahul Gandhi is saying all these things, what he is trying to do is he's trying to appropriate the legacy of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Viewers, Pradeep is completely right. I have everyone on the screen right now, and I can tell you viewers of this debate are extremely angry. No, one point I wish to make here. No, one point I wish to make here. No, I'll tell you why I said that this is the act of a political vulture. Allow me to complete, Nishant. Nishant and Nupur, 1 minute. Rahul Gandhi is trying to pretend like he has the blessings of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and he's trying to pretend that the BJP has betrayed its own simply because he broke the rules to try and be the first person to visit in hospital. My question is simple. My question is simple, and I'm mentioning Nishant and Nupur, please pay attention. The question is this, and Nishant, stop shouting when I'm making a point. Enough. Vajpayee had accused the Congress party of character assassination for the sake of votes. Does Rahul Gandhi know that? Vajpayee had blamed the Congress for the partition of India. Does Rahul Gandhi know that? And I don't want to make it personal. I don't want to make it personal. I don't want to make it personal. But the fact of the matter is, Nishant and Nupur have said it. I don't want to make it personal. But I will say it today. I will say it because of Rahul Gandhi's act of being a political vulture. I will say it today. I will say it today that Rahul Gandhi, you know nothing about Indian politics, culture, society, history, or the past, or even the present. I tell you today, Rahul Gandhi, I tell you today, find out today, I'm just making one point, find out today, Rahul Gandhi, whether Atal Bihari Vajpayee, with great sadness, had said that your mother, Sonia Gandhi, throws mud. Did he accuse Sonia Gandhi of mudslinging? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, during a campaign in Mandi, Himachal Pradesh, had called out Sonia Gandhi for mudslinging. So do not force the people of this country to tell you the realities of Indian politics. Do not do this. Do not do this. Do not do this. And once again, I ask you, viewers, where in Indian tradition do you do this? Nupur is debating with Sarvesh.
Can Nishant stop screaming?
Nupur and Sarvesh.
Nishant, you sound the most uncultured and the most uncouth. I'm sorry, you are not sanskari at all. You are screaming through the debate. Give other people 30 seconds to complete the point, yaar. Please stop screaming. Allow me to make my point. I think I have been given 30 seconds. You all sound absolutely uncouth and uncultured. Now, interestingly, the evil exists within the House of Congress Party. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wasn't allowed to reach the Lok Sabha. Sarvesh, shut up. Just shut up. Just shut up.
Don't teach me.
Calm down, both of you, and no bad language. Calm down.
How do you teach me culture?
What happened?
What is this unculture? Stop being uncultured.
Calm down, Nishant and Nupur. Focus on the issue at hand. Focus on the issue at hand. Please. No, watch it. Focus on the issue at hand. Calm down.
You tell me culture. Don't tell me culture. Don't tell me culture.
Nishant, cool it.
Shut up!
Nishant,
Oh,
do you
shut
know
up!
that
अरे
everybody
बेशरम
said
आदमी,
Vajpayee is
बदतमीज
never politics?
एकदम।
Never said
No, no,
that.
wait, Ratan Sharda.
Retract it back.
Ratan Sharda.
Not disgracing.
Okay, Ratan, wait. Ratan Sharda, wait. Ratan Sharda, let you come in.
You're telling me culture, cultureless. Are you?
You're
Who is
just like Rahul
cultureless
Gandhi.
here?
You are
are a
just
lady.
like Rahul
I will
Gandhi,
not
Nishant.
say what
You
you
are
said.
just another
But
Rahul Gandhi.
culture,
Who's just
go
a
learn the
5-year-old.
culture.
You're just
Never
a
tell me
5-year-old in your
what you
brain.
just said.
You are just
I
a
can
5-year-old in your
tell
brain.
But you know,
Oh, shut up.
Hindustani
You
culture,
sound uncultured.
औरतों के साथ-
What happened?
Okay, I'm
when
going
Rahul
away
Gandhi
from this,
tore
and
off
I need to.
ये संघी culture
No, no,
है।
no, 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 no.
इनको सिखाइए, इनको सिखाइए। ये मुझे क्या बोल रही टीवी पे? अरे ये
Nupur and Nishant, this is not the way to behave. Please calm down. Please calm down, both of you. Please calm down, both of you. Please calm down. I get Ratan Sharda and Tanveer. Ratan Sharda and Tanveer. Ratan and Tanveer.
Because Nishant can be disgraceful, we cannot
Ratan
be.
and Tanveer, please. Make your point to Tanveer.
My simple point is, can we be graceful to the person who is fighting for his life?
Absolutely.
Can we criticize somebody who makes a spectacle out of visiting a sick person on his struggling for his life? It should not be. And just because you belong to alliance with Rahul Gandhi, I don't think you lost your intelligence. My simple view is that as per Bharatiya Sanskar, when somebody is sick and fighting for his life, we should not be making it political.
Okay,
And
let's hear,
Vajpayee
let's
ji
hear.
was the most senior over the politics. Every person, right from opposition, everybody believes Vajpayee ji is beyond politics. At this age, the best person and most graceful person, and we should not be spoiling his image and spoiling our own image in the eyes of the world by behaving so obnoxiously.
Abominable,
Tanveer, I
abominable.
request you, please do not fall
Tanveer, tell Tanveer.
this kind of politics. Please, Tanveer.
अरे राहुल गांधी
We
ने
don't-
अपने
forget
बेहतरीन
Rahul Gandhi.
संस्कार उनके
Forget
बाप
Rahul
के,
Gandhi.
उनके
Exactly.
दादा के, उनके परदादा के
Exactly. Your grace.
आगे
It's about
दिखाया।
your grace. Don't keep on talking Rahul. Are you parent of Rahul Gandhi? A gentleman who has given his life, he is there, we are here shouting shamelessly like this. I am never sentimental. I feel sentimental. I feel ashamed as an Indian that we are making this kind of show, this
In
kind
the
of
month
debate.
of holy month
Please,
of
Tanveer.
Ramadan, I pray that he gets good
So
health.
stop
I
at
pray
that
that
moment.
he
Don't
should get
defend
a
Rahul
good health.
Gandhi.
He should come back from
Don't keep on making a
the
tamasha out of
sickness
it.
where he is.
Do not please defend this kind of cross section of people who don't know what is this scar, who don't know what is respect for a senior person, who
I
don't know
think
what
the
is
people
respect
who
for
are
a son
saying
of
that
this
Rahul
India.
Gandhi has no right to visit are making the tamasha out of
He
it.
has a right to visit. He has no
Not
right
to
to
make
boast
politics
about
over
it. He cannot make he cannot take it as a competition. He has a right to go respectfully, gracefully come back, sit at home, and then pass some remarks, good remarks out of Vajpayee ji.
You can't tell
He
what
was
to
saved
do
for
and
his
what
all
not to
disgrace.
do.
And you
What
come
to
and
do
come
and
on
what
TV,
not
you
to
pass
do. What
Twitter
is
remarks
that?
about senior BJP
Rahul
leaders.
Gandhi ne
You know what
hata
respect we have for
usko
senior
problem.
BJP
Roya
leaders?
to problem.
You
Rahul
understand
Gandhi
what respect we
problem
have for the
है
people
आप लोगों के लिए।
who fought from ground
अरे,
all the
इतना
way from
डरते
2
क्यों हो
seats to
उससे?
become the party of power? You don't understand. We know their sacrifice. You don't know the sacrifice. They
Juicing, 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 juicing.
They have been.
I understand. I am telling you, I am a bigger fan of Atal Bihari
They have
Vajpayee ji
given their all, and
than
that is what
people
you
in
give to
RSS
them.
and BJP. I love
At
Atal
least
Bihari
let them
Vajpayee
be
more
peaceful.
than you guys really do. Though
Do
there is
not,
politics,
do not make a
I'm sorry,
public
there
show
might be
of your
ideological
respect. That is what we learned from RSS.
Again,
That is what we learned from this Hindu tradition. Don't make a show of your respect.
topic ले गए आप?
Don't make a show of a PT.
Where is the topic?
Just show your grace.
The topic is not this. The topic is whether Rahul Gandhi
Nishant, you don't come on the debate.
made politics
You don't
in
deserve
politics.
on the debate.
It
You
is
have no
RSS
shame.
and
You are
BJP who is
argumentative, shouting
politicizing it.
foolishly. You don't even understand what you are talking
The
about. Just you are here as an agent.
अरे
of
साहब,
Congress.
you are politicizing
Even
it.
He has got more
He
sense.
never said anything. He
Just
said
keep
मैं पहले
quiet.
किया,
I
बाद
will
में
not
दूसरे
debate
काम
with
किए।
you. You are
आप
not
लगे
worth
पड़े हो,
debating.
क्योंकि ना तो आरएसएस ने ना बीजेपी ने कभी वाजपेयी साहब का ध्यान रखा, इंदिरा गांधी ने ध्यान रखा, राजीव गांधी ने ध्यान रखा, अब राहुल गांधी ध्यान रखता है। आपको बड़ी परेशानी हो रही है।
हमारे मन में इज्जत क्या वाजपेयी जी की आपको पता ही नहीं है। हम कंधे से कंधा लगा के उन्होंने खड़े रहे हैं। हमें पता है उन्होंने किस तरह संघर्ष किया है और कैसे आप लोगों ने उनके इंसल्ट किया है। Don't come here and talk about you don't even know what is Indian history. You don't know political history. You don't know Vajpayee's history. You don't know anything. Nehru ji called him future prime minister. Do you know that? You know this?
We are worried for him.
Nehru called him the future prime minister.
Nishant,
Nishant, just get off the debate.
No, one sec. Nishant, I now need to come in between both of you, please, for a minute. Since this point is being made, And now wait, Nishant. I want to get this to basics.
These people
So allow me to complete.
Don't allow PV Kailash to come into Congress office. They tell us what should be respect to seniors.
May I make a personal?
I don't want to be political. But you must shut up.
May I make a personal request to you to keep your cool, sir? Please, sir. You are senior to me.
If these people behave rationally.
Sir, I make up.
I'm never sentimental, but these people like fools are insulting the memory of the greatest leader today.
एक गलत पार्टी में
the life of the person was so graceful on his life who defended Rahul Gandhi in his worst time. Do you know this?
राहुल गांधी
You know nothing.
आपको सर हिंदी
Shame on
आती है
Rahul Gandhi.
आप उसका दोबारा सुनिए राहुल गांधी
अरे आप राहुल गांधी को बीच में लाइए ही मत आपको अकेले तो अपनी बात करिए
मोदी से पहले क्या हिंदी में बहुत सिंपल बोला उन्होंने
अरे हिंदी आपको आती नहीं आपको इंग्लिश आती नहीं आपको संस्कार नहीं आपको भाषा नहीं आप क्या यहाँ बात करने बैठे
नरेंद्र मोदी क्या फर्क पड़ता है
मुझे फर्क पड़ता है कि हमारे सबसे प्यारे नेता को जनता जिसकी पूजा करती है उसका धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं
मुझे नहीं ये पूछा जा रहा है इस वक्त 1 second now I have heard Ratan Sharda now I have heard now I'm intervening when I'm intervening even Nishant will have to be quiet मुझे पूछा जा रहा है सबको पूछा जा रहा है आपको क्या मतलब है मतलब इस बात से है और मैं चाहता हूं कि संध्या जैन भी डिबेट पर आए मतलब क्या है मतलब इस बात से है कि भारत का बच्चा अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी के नाम को रिस्पेक्ट करता है मतलब है आपको अगर डेप्थ है आप समझ पाते और आप आरएसएस की बात कर रहे हैं यू शुड नो कि what had what's everyone on the screen what had Vajpayee said about the RSS Vajpayee for your kind information joined the RSS as a Swayam Sevak in 1939 he was a Swayam Sevak since 1939
about that
Since 1939 he was a Swayam Sevak and आप आज आके कह रहे हो कि RSS treated Atal Bihari Vajpayee badly. Atal Bihari Vajpayee wrote an article in which he said the RSS and the Sangh is my soul. You people are dragging Vajpayee into politics at this time. I am telling you again, nation will not forgive all of you people and Rahul Gandhi for what you are doing. What you've done today, Sarvesh, what you and Rahul Gandhi have done today is the most unacceptable thing in Indian politics and Indian social life. I'm telling you today. Nobody will forgive you. What is no logic?
Can I make one line?
What has no logic? I want to ask you. Since you people... What has no logic? 1 minute. Sandhya, 1 minute. Sandhya, 1 minute. Was Atal Bihari Vajpayee influenced by Baba Saheb Apte?
Okay.
Did he attend the officers training camp of the RSS in 1940? Did he become a full-time worker of the RSS in 1947?
No.
And did Rahul Gandhi say that all RSS members are ideological terrorists? So as per Rahul Gandhi's own definition, Atal Bihari Vajpayee is an ideological terrorist? What does Rahul Gandhi know about India? Leave alone any organization. What does Rahul Gandhi know about Indian history or even the history of the Congress party?
No, Rahul Gandhi knows everything about this
Oh
soil.
yes, I'm sure he does. I'm sure he does. I'm sure he does. Then tell me one thing. Then I'm asking you one thing, Sarvesh. Sarvesh, now I'll ask you very seriously. Sarvesh, listen to my question and then Sandhya can come in.
Yes.
Remember, what did Shakil Ahmed say when people had asked questions about Sonia Gandhi's health? He said only a beast in the disguise of a human can taunt or pass a satirical comment on somebody's illness. It is evident that the person is mentally sick. Now my question to you is very simple. What kind of a beast will make political capital of the illness of a person like Atal Bihari Vajpayee?
He said that he is
I am
the
asking
most
you.
admired leader of the country.
I am asking you. Nupur is back on the debate.
What is wrong in that?
I am asking you.
We are talking out of an issue.
Sandhya Jain. Let Sandhya Jain come in. Nupur after that. Nupur.
Yeah, I just want to make one statement.
We are not respecting
I just need to make one statement.
Which
can you tell that man to shut up?
Rahul Gandhi said that Vajpayee ji is the most admired
Sarvesh,
leader of the country.
let Sandhya Jain speak.
I just want to say that once Rahul Gandhi was told by the doctors not to come till the Prime Minister's visit was over, he had no business to break the protocol.
Which doctor said?
And to go to the hospital when he is not a member of the family was also very wrong. He is not a pal of Mr. Vajpayee that he can just drop in against the wishes of the family and the hospital. That's all.
आप तो समझदार और पढ़ी लिखी महिला हैं. आप ये बताइए मुझे
नुपुर
जगह जो देश के
प्रधानमंत्री जहां जा रहे हैं, जहां हेल्थ मिनिस्टर जा रहे हैं, जहां पे ये पूरा का पूरा महकमा बीजेपी मैनेज कर रही है, वहां पे हॉस्पिटल ने कोई स्टेटमेंट क्यों नहीं इशू किया? सूत्रों के अनुसार से डॉक्टर्स ने मना किया था कि राहुल गांधी ना जाए।
के लिए लगभग आस्था का विषय। Why did Rahul Gandhi have to go and end the family's wishes?
आप लोग बहाना बनाते हैं।
Post about it like he's won a stupid primary sports day school race. And why do all these people have to behave like uncultured, uncouth louts? What are they screaming about? What are they screaming about?
निशाद,
हमारे को सिखा रहे वाजपेयी जी का हमारे साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है? हमें सिखाएंगे ये लोग।
Plot is so weak. Now she has run away. Now she has run away. She does not have a problem with 6 PM. Now she has a problem कि राहुल गांधी वहाँ गए क्यों? कमाल यही था. This is the beginning of it. Nupur Sharma, this is exactly what happened. आपका plot fail हो गया. आपको अब ये तकलीफ नहीं है that why did he go at 6 PM? Now you have a problem that why is he making a story about it? Tell me why did the PM of it story about? Nupur Sharma जी, homework करके आया करिए. पहले आपने शुरू किया 6 PM, 6 PM.
One second. Nupur, hold back. Pradeep is responding. Pradeep.
Nishant, you liar.
You have lost your plot.
Nishant, you are a liar. PM did not make a story about it. Rahul Gandhi went to an election rally and said कि मैंने पहले आया हूँ मैं. That is a story. You are a liar. See the post here on Twitter. He says that RSS is a terrorist. Not one tweet on Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He's even in his intention. You are a liar, Nishant. You should be ashamed of yourself.
As a New Jersey cow, and फिर माफी मांगते हैं.
I want to. Ratan Sharda.
Are you here as an agent of Sonia Gandhi? Are you agent of Rahul Gandhi? Or you have got independent mindset? Have you got some mind of your own?
Tanveer,
or you just there as an agent of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi?
Tanveer is more reasonable.
You
I
have
want to
no
ask the
sensible
question. I
argument
choose
at
to
all.
ask the question to Tanveer and Juhi Singh.
Like a roadside person, you are shouting.
I've heard this debate, and I've heard this debate. I respect everyone's views. I'm telling you, there is low-level politics which has happened. When you say khun ki dalali, it is low-level politics. When you compare your country's judiciary to Pakistan, it is low-level politics. When you lie about the SC/ST Act, it is low-level politics. But this is lower than that, Tanveer, because of a simple reason. No, this is plumbing the depth, and I'll tell you why. See, Tanveer, let me ask you this. If you had a loved one in hospital, God forbid, and the person was really fighting for their life, a really aged person, right? You would want, at the least, for the person's privacy to be respected at that time. And if somebody who had no relationship with your family, somebody who came from a background where you had constantly been insulted by that person, where you'd been mudslinged by that person, suppose you knew that one member of your family had been consistently insulted, mudslinged on, and abused by one other person or a group. Please be quiet, Nishad. I didn't invite you. That question even wasn't what you said. Please hold your horses, damn it. I'm talking to Tanveer. Suppose you knew, I'm asking Tanveer the question, and I will articulate my question so people understand. Suppose you knew that your family member who is fighting that battle for his or her life has been constantly in their life insulted, abused, mudslinged on, and attacked by another person. And at a time when someone close to you is fighting that battle, you would find that these same people, out of sheer opportunism or politics or whatever, were to line up outside the ICU saying, hey, listen, I am now come to get my brownie points. I've insulted this person all his life, but today I will stand up there, and after visiting for 5 minutes, I will come out, I will tweet, I will go on Facebook, I will go on a platform, I will make a speech, and I will use, Tanveer, think of how insensitive, I will use the condition of that person for my personal, material or political advantage. I ask you today, Tanveer, would you have allowed it? Would you have allowed it? Would it have made you furious that how cheap can you get? Tanveer, please, this is about decency. I am asking you, is there any decency left?
Fine.
Is there any decency
you asked me
left?
a lengthy question, let me answer.
This is not a
I would
lengthy
have
question, it is an
certainly
articulation of how the country feels tonight.
I allowed that person.
And viewers, if
I
you
would have
agree with me,
certainly allowed
please
that
tell me what you
person,
think. I'll read out
if
your
at all
tweets.
his inner conscience is clean and he want to really come. No, I would have
Tanveer,
really
inner
certainly allowed
conscience?
that person if at all his
Tanveer,
inner
inner
conscience is clean.
conscience?
I
He
think
comes from
Rahul Gandhi's
hospital
inner conscience
and
today
goes
is
and
very
gives
clean.
lecture about
He wants
decency
to
in
come
public
there
life.
and really,
You say it's
wants to
decency.
pay
You
his,
say
his
it's
love,
grace.
what he has for a
You
great
come and
man called
publicize
Atal
a
Bihari
visit
Vajpayee.
of a person
See,
who is
politics,
suffering from the
in
terminal
politics,
disease.
there is a
Is
public
this the
life and
grace
personal
that
life.
you go and exhibit your
I
love on the
attack-
Twitter, on the
I
social
attack a
media,
lot of
on a
people
public
on
speech?
public life,
Is that
but I
grace?
respect
Is
them
that
on
heartlessness,
personal
or what is
life.
it?
You want me to
When you're
answer?
defending such a person,
You
is a
first,
child.
before you,
Tanveer is a child of 5
What
years.
is our
Is
internal
a mentally
security
retarded
doing?
person
If
who will
at
go
all
and
one
shout
second, no
that
personal
there is
comments.
somebody.
Not allowed to go. Why did the SPG allow
Not
him?
question of allowed or not go.
What
I
they
said
waiting?
let him
That
go.
पहले मोदी
I
जी
said
जाए,
don't make a
क्योंकि ये
show
मोदी
of it.
जी का जन्म
Nobody in India
अधिकार
makes
है,
a show
बीजेपी के
when he
ऊपर,
visits a sick
हमारे देश
person,
की धरोहर
when he is
के ऊपर,
going for
Prime
a
Minister
person
के
is
ऊपर।
living
I
life.
wish to ask you- I
Nobody
wish to
does
ask
it
you
in
one
India.
question.
This is our sanskar.
I wish to
am
ask
saying
you-
Go, please visit.
One
Do
tweet.
not make a show out of it.
No,
To score
one
political
minute.
points. That is all I'm saying.
I want to make two small
Such a
points.
respected person,
I want
we
to
are so
make.
sentimental about
I
that
want to
person.
make two
And
small
this is what you
points.
do to the
I want to
person.
make
And
two
you will
small
never
points.
forgive you.
I want to make two
Never
small
forgive you.
points. Two small points before we move on. I want that before Rahul Gandhi has the guts to drag Atal Bihari Vajpayee's name, and I am speaking to the viewer, that before Rahul Gandhi, Tanveer, please wait for me, because Rahul Gandhi tries to use Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I want to know, and the nation wants to know, whether Rahul Gandhi will apologize for the abuse that his mother has thrown at the great man called Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Will Rahul Gandhi apologize for the words used by his mother, Sonia Gandhi, about Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1999 and 2002, and I'm not repeating the words because the words used by Sonia Gandhi are far too disgraceful even to repeat. But will Rahul Gandhi first apologize for the words his family members and his party have used regarding Atal Bihari Vajpayee before he tries to use Atal Bihari Vajpayee politically? It's a straight question. And a very interesting tweet has come out right now, and I want to read it. I take the debate forward, and Nopur, I request you, however angry you may be tonight, let us not use words that are unacceptable. A tweet goes today, and the person is Praveen Gandhi 1, says, Vajpayee has been ill for 10 years. How many times did Rahul Gandhi visit him in these 10 years? Not once. Today he wants to use him. Viewers, will you forgive Rahul Gandhi for this? I'm asking you this.
I just
Will any
request Rahul
congressman
Gandhi go and visit some correctional home, take basic political training, take basic humanitarian training, then come to politics again. He doesn't deserve to be in Indian
Congress
politics the way
spokespersons
he
tweeted.
behaves.
Congress spokespersons
It's utterly
tweeted.
graceless.
Congress spokespersons tweeted in 2014
on this debate.
against
Look at their
Vajpayee.
faces, they're exposing themselves.
I say today, why don't you all write a letter to Rahul Gandhi, teach him something?
All the supporters, look at their angry faces, look at their shouting misbehavior. They're exposing themselves. They're defending the indefensible. This is vulture politics, and this is exactly what I'm angry about.
All the time you
The only people, the Congress,
I don't know how much time I have tonight.
If it is that sanskar, I don't want to learn that sanskar. I have better sanskar.
What have you done?
They all
What have you
look at
done?
Nishant.
Has the
Look
BJP
at
government
Tanveer,
done
look at
anything
Sarvesh.
about his health?
Look at the way they've been screaming.
When Manmohan Singh
A
was
man
the
is
Prime
sick.
Minister,
The beloved
the great
former Prime
help
Minister is
and the
sick.
assistance
Look at the
was
language
extended
they are using.
to Atal Bihari
Look at their
Vajpayee by all
faces.
means.
Look at their
Prior to
expressions.
that, Rajiv
They are
Gandhi did
defending
that.
the indefensible.
Gandhi
Rahul
Parivar is
laughing
more
at
close
funerals.
to Atal Bihari
Rahul Gandhi is
than the
laughing at
Sangh
funerals,
Parivar
and
on his
you
health
are
front.
misbehaving.
So let us
Rahul
not go
Gandhi
there.
is laughing
If you
at
will go
funerals,
there,
Nishant,
I will also
and you
go
are
there.
misbehaving.
Number two,
You are
never try
defending
to
the
play
indefensible.
politics on Atal
You
Bihari
stand
Vajpayee.
thoroughly exposed,
Just
Nishant.
because Rahul
Go
Gandhi
read
went
your
fast,
messages
you
on
have a
Twitter.
problem.
People are sending you
Kamal.
hate messages.
अरे
You have
ट्विटर
no
छोड़िए, आप
shame.
यहाँ बात
You
करिए।
have no shame
आप
for a
ट्विटर में जो
93
बात
old
करते हैं,
man.
वो तो
You
आपके
have no
फॉलोअर्स हैं।
concern.
आप वो
You
50,
have
100,
no
200 का
sensitivity.
IT सेल
You
चलाते
have
हैं।
no
आप
shame.
आम जनता को
Nishant,
बात करिए।
you stand
आपने तो
completely
अटल
exposed.
बिहारी वाजपेयी
You
को
stand completely
अपना आदमी बता रहे
unconcerned.
भाजपा का।
You stand
वो हमारे
Pradeep,
देश के
Pradeep,
प्रधानमंत्री
Pradeep,
हैं। पूरा देश उनके लिए बैठा है। आप क्या अपने
I close the debate now, viewers. I'm over time. I'm over time. Once again, I repeat. Rahul Gandhi should know one thing.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee, in his greatness, in his depth, in his grace, in his wisdom, in his experience, in his struggles, in his fight, in his leadership, in his personality, is everything that a person as shallow as Rahul Gandhi can never ever hope to be. I thank you all for joining me, and the nation praises one for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. See you on debate number 2.